Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I'll be honest here, I stole this from somebody else's video, but I wanted it on my channel to show off to my subscribers and viewers because it's pretty cool and pretty simple. You don't have to have the black box background. It looks pretty good, but I actually left a space there and kind of played around with it. But all you have to do is take an oval and then Control D on your keyboard and hold down the control button so it's perfectly, you don't even have to do that. Let me back up here. I always like trying to explain some other thing. Let's Control D and let's just make a copy. That one's not on top of it. It's way up there. But you can always go T like in Tom, no matter where this one is. You know, if you didn't use the control button, you get it back to where it was. Then I'm going to take a 2-point line. I'm going to make it longer than it needs to be, and I'm going to have it snap to that quadrant. Then I'm going to hit the plus key or the duplicate key, and I'm going to put it about right there. And then I'm going to get the polygon tool set on 3-sided. I'm going to draw a triangle. I'm going to flip it. So now I can get that right there, and I'm going to have it snap to that edge and try to get it somewhat in the middle. I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key, and I'm going to delete that line, and these two lines, and this line. I am going to see what my nudge distance is. This thing is less than 4 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on like 5. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in that part and move it over, and that part and move it over. The reason I like to do that, because I don't want to look at these lines later. Now we got two different parts. And let's get the interactive fill tool and just swipe up and then put a little darkness in that hole. Now, if you like the way that looks, and really that's why I put black boxes around, because it really makes it look different. Fill it in with black, go to Object, Order, back a page, and you can kind of see the shadow. But if you like that shadow, grab that one, get to your attribute eyedropper, and it's going to take a copy of that and put it on this one. Now you can kind of see if it's either too dark or too light. And that's not too bad. Now, the other thing the gentleman did that did this, let me put my line back. And what he did, he took this one and made a copy of it and moved this over just a little bit. You know what? It's so minute. Let's change it to 0.01. Take that copy and nudge it over just a little bit. Now we need to, and you could do it on both sides. I'm just going to do it on the front side. Take away that and Smart Fill that with a color. And what's so nice about the nudge factor, now I can grab it and nudge it over. Well, remember I changed my nudge factor. Let's see, what was my nudge factor? 5. Let's grab that blue and put it over there. And you could actually leave that like that color. And you could do both sides. You know, we could actually use that and fill that in and then nudge that over. And it really adds almost like a thickness to your arrow. That is pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.